The water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. All right, you guys, I'm all done with the gym and I'm in the mall. So I have to get a new umbrella. It rained on Friday and my umbrella embarrassed me. Like, it wasn't even so much wind. It was a little wind and that umbrella was just moving and shaking, and then it couldn't even hold still. I was just so embarrassed. But you know what? I kept it up. I kept strong because it was just embarrassing. That's all I'm gonna say. Let me see if I can even find it in the car to show it to you guys. Okay, so I found the umbrella and look at it. Well, you can't really see how bad it is now, which is good, but like the cloth is not even attached to the wiring anymore. I had it for many years, so it's time for me to get a new umbrella. I'm headed to Burlington and I'm gonna shop around. I'm not gonna lie and act like I'm going to shop around. We're gonna see what we can find. There's supposed to be a snowstorm happening in New York tomorrow and Monday, so everybody's out right now, I'm sure, getting things and preparing, but I'm only here for an umbrella and some fun stuff. So let's see what we can get. Let me not talk too much, because I can yap a little bit, and let's head to the mall.
The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want don't want you, and who you miss don't miss you. Your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace but can't feel it.
Yeah, Burlington has updated their stuff. They have a lot of storage stuff that's really nice. I'm gonna show you guys, but like I came at a good time, right? Even though I'm not buying, I came at a good time because sometimes the store be empty and sometimes the store be full. So you just have to catch them at the right time. But if you're looking for storage stuff for your room, just to keep yourself organized, come here. They got good stuff. Let me show you.
You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus.
Okay, you guys, so I'm in the utensil aisle because let me be honest, my man, he only got like 1 fork and 2 spoons, and that don't work for me. So instead of complaining, I'm gonna create a solution and buy utensils. I think like we can spend a lot of time complaining, but like let's do something. Be a solution, not a problem. So I'm here looking at some utensils. Let me show you the ones I'm looking at. I think these gold ones are cute, but it's 20 pieces and we don't need that. So I'm trying to find something maybe just with a spoon and a fork. So let me look. This one is just forks, so it's not going to work, but we're getting close. I found this one. It's nice, but is it too big? Right? Okay, I'm gonna keep looking. I'll keep you posted.
Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus.
All right, you guys, so I just finished at Burlington, and Burlington is my secret pleasure. Like, I go in there for one thing, I come out with 4 things. I'm going to show you guys later what I got. However, actually, I can show you now. Actually, no, later. Let me go and get this granola. Yes, we're still on this granola topic because I went to like 2 different stores. I couldn't find it. I'm like, okay, let me go back to my home base Target to just get this granola. That's the only thing I really get from Target because they have really, really good granola. Everything else I get at Walmart. So let me jump there. I've been up since pretty much 6:30, and I've been out this whole time. So I kind of want to go back home, relax, chill, and stuff like that. But let me jump into Target and then we'll talk later. Good morning, beautiful people, and I just woke up. Can y'all tell? It is Monday, February, let's see, the 20. I'm gonna put the date on the screen. Don't worry. But in New York, it's a crazy winter storm. Like, it's so crazy out here. We've never seen snow like this in a while. So I'm going to help my siblings shovel outside, take you guys with me. But the streets, they did an emergency alert. They said, stay at home. Stay at home. I'm an emergency worker, but I told you about my car. That car is little. That car not taking me nowhere. And I have clinic patients, so I'm going to call all of them virtual. I'll see you next week if needed, but virtual. Like this is something. But I'm gonna show y'all. My sister's husky is outside enjoying life. Like, that dog is like, I'm in my natural habitat. That dog is from Siberia and he's outside loving it. So let me get myself prepared, put on the suit, put on the armor, put on everything, and I'll see you when we are outside. Hello, Segi. This is Seiko. He's a Siberian husky and he's loving it. Seiko. Segi. Seiko. You see, he don't listen. He's so disrespectful.
Seiko, Linda's talking to you.
He's still learning obedience. Seiko. Okay, you rude.
In front of him.
You rude. And then we have Jessica here. She's doing the Lord's work. She's doing the Lord's work. So the snow is crazy. Like, look at the piles of snow in New York. It's ridiculous. Yeah, like I don't know how we're gonna get through this, y'all, but we're gonna make a way. But stay inside, stay safe. Hello, good morning, beautiful people. It is February 25th and I am in New Jersey. Today is my fiance's birthday, so we will be celebrating. He thinks we're doing something calm and casual, but you know, there's nothing calm and casual when it comes to me. Okay, so we will be decorating the apartment first, and then secondly, I gotta wash his hair. Okay, the weather in New York has just been treacherous. Like, it has really done a number on me, so we have to get back to ourselves. You know, I think a lot of times in healthcare, especially being a medical student, a resident, etc., we kind of neglect taking care of ourselves. So now that I have more time, I have to get on that. You know, I can't just be out here looking any type of way, right? When you're in the struggle, we understand, we give grace. But when you have time, I think it's important to pour into yourself and take care of yourself. So we are going to be doing some decorations, setting up stuff, and then washing my hair. And then we're going to a cooking class later. So I found a really nice cooking class, very intimate, and we'll be going there for his birthday. So I'm very excited to celebrate his birthday because he means so much to me and I love him very much. And I thank the Lord for sending him to me. So that is the agenda for today, doing a little bit of cleaning, all these things. So let me stop yapping. Let's get to work. Okay, you guys. So right now I'm going to be pumping up and hanging up these 3 items. It is the number balloon. It's the just single balloons to put on the floor, and it's the happy birthday sign. So we got to get to work because this man is on his way home. So let's get to it.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come in. You turn it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know.
Yeah, I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for my life. Pumping up 1 balloon took me literally like 7 minutes. But the balloon is tea. The balloon is tea. Look. So this is the balloon. It's nice. It's big. Like, I got it off of Shein and it was like maybe $2 to $3. It was very affordable. But love will make you do this. My arms is on fire. It's actually a good thing because I didn't go to the gym, but like, I'm fighting for my life. Like, I look like I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for my life. But it's all for a good cause. So I'm going to do the other number, pop some balloons, no, blow up some balloons, and then I'll show you guys like the final look of everything.
That you're always here. I need all your love. I need all your love. I need your blessings. I need your blessings. My Lord, your blessings make me feel the way. I've got one question. I've got one question. My Lord, my question is, are you here to stay? I know that you will, 'cause you never fail. You direct me to paths that will prevail. Bride of Jesus Christ, you replace the veil. And you show me love. Yeah, you show me love. I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come in. You turn it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know that you're always here. I need all your love. I need all your love.
I need it, Lord, I need it. And when I found it, I knew I'd keep it. You're the realest, never sleeping. Always got me, even when I'm dreaming. I'm preaching to the people you're feeding. In the morning until the evening. Making sure that your children are breathing. It's you I'm needing, it's you I'm needing. Grab the word,
then I speak it. On the curb, you know I preach it. One in a never can never be repeated. So my will has gotta be completed. But your word, it never is defeated. So if I fail, I know you'll redeem it. Right up the throne, my savior is seated. His name is Jesus, his name is Jesus. I'm just trying to get close to you. As a child, that's something I'm supposed to do. When you walk in the room, I notice you. I love you and I can't get over you. Yeah, I'm just trying to get close to you. As a child, that's something I'm supposed to do. When you walk in the room, I notice you. I notice you.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood demons.
All right, you guys, so we're about to head out to the cooking class. So I left my comb at home, and after washing my hair, I was just like, okay, so what are we gonna do? So this is the best that I got at this point, but I think it still looks okay. Like, it's still bouncy, it's still flowy, but it's not my ideal look, but we still move. So we're heading to the cooking class, and I'll talk to you guys when we get there.
Like a mountain.
I want to make sure that my cake doesn't stick to the sides of the pan. So I'm kind of rolling it around if you wanted to, if you were worried about it. And really brush up the sides just so that the scariest part of this whole cake is getting it out in one piece. When you flip it over. And one time I was working.
This gift was you. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days.
Dinner party or something.
It flows like a river.
This is the only thing you're gonna have to clean up if you want to make a big loaf of cornbread. Everything's gonna go in here. You don't have a mixer, you don't have a mixing bowl, you don't nothing. Absolutely.
So if I were to breath in my lungs, I would raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past undefined, formed from the dust of this earth. True purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my soul. You saved me from the ways of this world.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is February 26th, and it is the day after the birthday celebration that we did. I didn't think I informed you, but I am off of work this week. I'm on vacation, so that's very nice. I'm going to be taking you guys around with me today to just show you what I do when there is no work, relaxing, resetting, and really enjoying the time away from the hospital. I do a lot at the hospital, so now getting time to really just spend time with myself and do things that I enjoy doing, or doing nothing. That's fun as well. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me.
Seen another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know hope of a good time. It's a choice, oh yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another.
Good morning, beautiful people. I'm going to close out the vlog here. Thank you so much for tuning in with another week of me of residency life in Jesus. I hope you guys are having a good week, and I'll see you next week. If you like the vibes, definitely hit the subscribe button. Take care.
I am.